Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 different thrifted decor items that I have upcycled and how I style them within my room. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe so I can keep making more videos like this for you, and let's just jump into the video. So the first thing I picked up was this white metal container. I found this in the office supply section, so I decided to kind of keep with that theme. And I found it for $1.88, which is very inexpensive compared to buying it new. Next, I took these wooden beads that I had previously had. You can also find these at the craft store, or if you're lucky enough, you can find them at the thrift store in the little trinket sections. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of hot glue onto each bead and flip the container over and add them to the bottoms to mimic legs. I decided to do 3 of them instead of 4 just to give it that visually appealing look and to have something different rather than what you might have purchased at the store. And once you have them all spaced out evenly and let them dry, you have a brand new upcycled pencil holder. So for this next one, you're going to need macrame cording or any thick type of rope, scissors, hot glue, and then this mirror that I had thrifted for about $1.88 as well. First thing you're going to start out by doing is cutting off a piece of your rope and gluing it around the edge of the mirror just on the bottom half. You're only going to want it as high as you want your little pouch to be. Then you're going to measure out the longest length of what you're going to have to do across, and just measure out pieces the same length until you think you have enough to cover up the whole mirror. Next, you're going to add a little bit of glue on either sides and just place the pre-cut strings just straight across on there. You're going to want to complete this all the way down, and you can start to see your little pocket start to form. The point of having the rope around the bottom half of it is so you're not gluing directly onto the mirror every time, and it does give a little bit of a dimension so you can stick something down there if you would like. So once you have the entire half of the mirror covered, you're just going to flip it over and apply a generous amount of hot glue and just fold over those extra pieces onto the back. This gives it a nicer, cleaner look rather than just trimming them all off. So after you've allowed enough dry time and you're ready to hang it, you're just going to snip another piece of cord, fold it in half, and glue it onto the back. To add an extra bit of support, you can add another layer of glue on top. For this last one, I'm going to show you how I style these wicker placemats. They came in a pack of 2, just rubber band together for $1.88. So it was a great deal, and they were such great quality, and they are so on trend right now. So above my dresser next to my mirror, I added 2 nails spaced out, one on top of the other. And then I just used the little holes in between the wicker and just hung them up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video because it really supports me and my channel. And I hope to see you next time.